place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little heart, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be.
Standing here again where it all began, I rededicate myself to you, to loving you in my time and yours, to embracing one more adventure, possibly one more Bentley, and definitely more laughter. Jim, thank you for being my home wherever in the world we are. I love you more than I did when we met on that blind date in 1998, because now our love carries history, humour, generosity and deep gratitude. Here's to the next chapter, lived fully, joyfully and always together. To a love that's grown wiser, deeper and even more fun with time. If I could go back, I'd choose you all over again.
I promise to continue laughing with you, to grow even older with you, and to hold your hand through whatever years remain, whether they are calm, uncertain, ordinary or extraordinary. After 28 years, darling, I totally commit to you today and every day that follows, and